Decimal, example 6. Now this question is a past paper from CSEC Mathematics. What I want you to do, pause the video and work it out. Alright, you pause the video already and worked it out. What did you get? We go through it and see what happened. Without using a calculator, calculate the exact value of. So what you have here is 26.32 plus 38.8, all divided by 13.16 minus 11.56. We look at what the numerator part is about up here. Let's do it up there first. So what we have is 26.32 plus 38.80. 2 plus 0 is 2. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8 and 3, 11. Bring down 1. Carry 1, come over here. 8 and 6. That's 14 and 1, 15. Bring down 5, carry 1. 3 and 2, 5 and 1, 6. So we have 65.2 for the numerator. For the denominator. So remember they say, without using a calculator. So you have 13.16 minus 11.56. You see how this goes. 6 minus 6 is 0. 1 minus 5 I can. This becomes 2. This becomes 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. So what you end up with is this 65.12. That's 65.12 divided by 1.60. Now, what is this equal to? Let's turn everything into whole numbers. What we're going to do is multiply the numerator by 100 and multiply the denominator by 100. When we do that, we'll get rid of the points. So we'll work with whole numbers. So 65.12 times 100 is 6,512 divided by 1.60 times 100 is 160. Now, let us see how we can divide this thing down. Let's divide each by 2. 2 into 6 is 3. 2 into 5 was 2 times, remainder 1. 2 into 11 is 5 times, remainder 1. 2 into 12, 6. You should remember the shortcuts. Right? It's important that you understand what is really happening behind the scenes, but remembering the shortcuts, the algorithm is very useful. 2 into 16 is 8, and we have our 0. So, remember you can divide down by larger numbers, but without a calculator, it might very well be easier to just divide by 2 each time. Dividing by 2, 2 into 3. How many 2's you have in 3? There is 1, 2, remainder 1. 2 into 12 is 6. 2 into 5 is 2 times, remainder 1. 2 into 16 is 8. Divided by 2 into 80 is 40. We could divide by 4 now. Make a big step. Alright? So we're going to divide by 4. 2 into 16 is 8. 4 into 16 I mean. Not 4 into 16 is 4. There are 4 4s in 16. How many 4s you have in 2? None. And you consider this as 28. 4 into 28 is 7. Notice if you have 407 times 4, you're going to get 4 7s 28. 8 carry 2, 4 0 0 and 2 2, 4 4 16. So you do get back the 1628. Alright? Divide 40 by 4 and you get 10. Then you can see what 407 divided by 10 is. It is 40.7. And there you have it. Now, just to test our result, 40.7, to ensure we didn't make a mistake. Let's see what happens here. Here's our calculator. This should amount to 40. It should be 40.7 when you're finished, alright? So, let's see. Open bracket. 26.32 plus 38.8 close bracket divided by open bracket 13.16 minus 11.56 close bracket equal, and you see we get our 40.7.